Hi guys, today we will explain about how to create account on Temu. This is a simple task. For this open your computer browser and in the search bar you have to search for Temu official website. And on the first number you can see the result. Temu.com official site. Just tap on this option to get access of Temu. And now we are on the official website of Temu. Here you can see the option sign in and register. If you want to create your account, then you have to tap on this option sign in and register. Here, if you have already account on Temu, then you can enter your email address and then tap on the option continue. But I will create my new account with the help of my Google account. So that's why I will tap on the option Google. But if you have your Facebook account or Apple account or any other account, then you can create your account using that. But like I told you, I have my Google account. So that's why I am tapping on the option Google. And here is my account. I just need to tap on it. And the last thing I have to do is tap on the option continue. And as you can see, my account has been created successfully on Temu and you can see my name. Here is my name and my account, and it was the way by which you can create your account on Temu easily.